Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakia if you are new here. If you are new here, then you probably don't know that I recently gave birth and I'm a breastfeeding mama. Currently, none of my bras fit. Like, they are too small. I've tried putting on different bras and yeah, they're too small. I do have my nursing bras and my pumping bras, of course. Those bras don't go with different outfits. They're okay for some outfits, but if you're trying to wear like a cute top, a low cut top, a pumping bra or nursing bra is not gonna look right with those outfits. So rather than investing in a bunch of new bras that I don't know if I'll be able to use after I'm finished with my breastfeeding journey. I don't know how it works. If I go back to my original size after I'm done breastfeeding, or do I have a whole new size bra? I don't know. So rather than invest a bunch of money in a whole bunch of new bras, I am going to be trying something a little different, and I'll be showing you 3 different looks for an instant boob job or boob lift. Today's video is in collaboration with VBT LIFT, and I can't wait to show you all the goodies that they sent over. VBT LIFT aims to provide women with healthy and comfortable boob tape. VBT products are well designed and suitable for various boob shapes and sizes. VBT is breathable and provides long-lasting support that makes you always ready to go. Use the code on the screen now until August 11th to enjoy 10% off. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into these products. So I was sent over their boob tape kit. I'm just going to read off the name real quick. This is the VBT mixed color boob tape kit. So it came with 2 of the boob tapes in nude and black. Next is the double-sided tape, and in this tiny box there are 2 pairs of pasties. They also include an instruction manual, so if you've never worn boob tape or just need help with different styles that you can wear under clothing, then this instruction manual will help with that. So I love the fact that they include 2 different colors of the tape, because with certain colors of clothing, certain undergarments just look better underneath, or they're not as detectable. I am someone who hates underwear lines. I hate bra straps showing, all of that. And if I'm wearing certain clothing, I do like to make sure that my bras are not able to be seen underneath that clothing. So I love the fact that they have 2 different colors. And if you have a preference on what color tape that you like, or maybe you just need to re-up on just one color, they do have kits in all black or all nude, or just the tape individually. I wanted to quickly hop in here and mention that the tape, I feel like, is very nice quality. I feel like the kit is very beginner friendly because I am a beginner. This is something new for me. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, that I was trying something new. The tape definitely stretches, so being able to stretch to one side to the other to help lift and to pull together, I feel like the tape is great. And it also helps that it has the instruction manual, how to apply, how to remove, all that good stuff, different taping styles. And then look at the amount of tape that they provide you with. This is a lot of tape. And then this whole roll too. And the kits are very affordable. So all of this, and then you have your pasties. There are 2 different styles. So this one is just the round style, and this one has more like squiggly edges. I love how everything in this kit is like very organized. individually packaged. Now that you've seen everything that comes in the kit, let's get into these 3 different styles for 3 different types of shirts or dresses or tops. I'll be showing you the before and afters with the tops, as well as demoing how I achieved that look with the tape and the pasties, double-sided tape. So you can see now that they're a lot more lifted, which is the look that I like. I know before is a lot more natural or whatever, but I like the lifted look, so I love this. And to prevent your shirt, like if you're outside and the wind is blowing, or the wind doesn't even have to be blowing, from preventing the shirt from opening up more, you have your handy dandy double-sided tape. So you can put this double-sided tape, which is what I would do, put them on the inside of the shirt so that you can still show cleavage, but not have to worry about like too much showing, or the wind blowing and you being all exposed and all that. And how I achieved this look is I lifted up the area, brought the tape all the way up here, so the tape is extending all the way from here to up here, kind of on my back as well, the same on this side. And then I lifted the bottom area with 2 pieces of tape. So 2 up here, well, 2 up here on both sides, pushing together and lifting with the tape at the bottom. An instant breast lift. And this is after taping, and you can see that they're a little bit more lifted. No bra straps at all. I'm not even wearing a bra. There's no bra straps, which I mentioned before. I cannot stand bra straps showing. Basically what I did was apply the pasties first. I crisscrossed the tape across so that you get that lifted look. So I started from right here, crossed it over, and then started from here, crossed it over. I even applied tape below just to help lift, because normally my chest is smaller than it is right now. I would want to wear a strapless bra with this kind of dress, because again, I don't want bra straps showing like right here. But this dress is open in the back here, so that's the only issue with wearing a strapless dress, a strapless bra, is that I might fall below this line. I haven't worn this out yet, but yeah, that would be the only issue for me. So what I did is kind of like a bandeau set situation with the tape, and I crisscrossed. I stopped about like right here so that it's not showing on the outsides, and then of course lifting a little bit. All right, that is it that I have for you in today's video. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and don't forget, you can get 10% off if you use the code below. Also check the description box and use that link. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. You can enjoy the 10% off until August 11th. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.